千字文天地玄黄宇宙洪荒日月迎仄晨肃烈张寒来暑往秋收冬藏润余城岁绿照调阳云腾至雨漏皆为双金生丽水欲出昆港建号巨阙珠称夜光果真李奈菜众界江海咸河淡林钱宇翔龙狮火地鸟官人皇始至文字乃服衣裳推位让国有余陶唐吊民伐罪周发殷汤坐朝问道垂拱平张爱玉离守臣芙蓉枪匣耳一体律宾归王鸣凤在树白居时场画被草木赖及万方盖此身发四大五常宫为居养岂敢毁伤女目真邪难笑才良知过必改的能莫忘往谈笔短迷事几常信使可复气欲难量莫悲思染诗赞高阳景行为贤克念作圣德见明例行端表正空古传声虚堂习听或因恶积福元善庆齿辟非保寸因是敬资副使君曰言语敬孝当竭力中则尽命临深履薄素兴温清似兰丝心如松之盛川流不息渊城取应容止若思言辞安定笃出诚美慎终一令容业所积极甚无敬学优登仕设职从政存以甘棠去而意永乐书贵见礼别尊卑上河下幕夫唱父随外受父训入奉母遗珠孤伯叔游子比而孔怀兄弟同气连枝交友头分切磨珍归仁慈隐恻造次扶离结义连退颠沛匪亏性敬情一心动神疲手真志满竹物意宜坚持雅操好绝字谜都一华夏东西二经背芒面落福位巨金宫殿盘玉楼官妃经图写禽兽画彩仙灵饼舍棒骑甲仗对营四言设席鼓瑟吹声声接纳必变转移星佑通广内左达成名记集粉点义句群英度稿中历七书必经辅罗江乡陆峡怀清护封八县家给迁兵高官陪辇曲谷镇应市路齿覆车驾肥清侧宫茂石乐碑刻明盘溪伊尹左石阿衡掩宅曲阜微旦熟营环宫匡和记若服清起回汉会说感武丁俊义密务多事实宁晋楚更罢赵魏困衡假图灭国建土会盟和尊约法韩必凡行起见颇木用军最经宣威沙漠池玉丹青九州雨季百郡秦并岳宗天军圈 A 产主云亭雁门紫色基田赤成昆池节石具野洞庭旷远绵渺延秀杳明治本于农物资价色处载南亩我亦属计税赎贡新券赏处至孟科敦素始于丙直树基中庸劳谦锦赤灵阴查理见貌变色宜爵加油免其之职省公机界宠增抗及代汝进齿临高兴及两书献机节祖谁逼所居闲处沉默寂寥求古询论散律逍遥心奏类前感谢欢招渠河的丽园莽抽条琵琶晚翠梧桐早雕陈根尾翼落叶飘洒游昆独韵临摹降萧丹读完是玉木囊香亦犹忧魏蜀尔元强具善参饭适口充肠宝玉烹宰鸡宴糟糠亲戚故旧老少一良妾欲寄访视今为房完善园结银烛尾黄昼棉溪媚兰笋象床弦歌酒宴皆杯举觞脚手顿足越狱且康迪后嗣续祭祀征长七嗓再拜耸巨孔黄间叠简要故达沈祥还构享誉直热怨凉驴罗独特亥月超香朱斩贼盗捕或叛王部射辽顽姬秦阮孝田比伦指君巧任调士分立俗并皆家庙毛诗书资公贫言少年史美崔西辉朗耀玄机玄卧会破环诏旨新修护永随吉少举步引领抚养郎庙数代金装徘徊瞻跳孤陋寡闻愚蒙等翘位语著者焉哉乎也And of the project Gutenberg ebook 千字文 updated editions will replace the previous one. The old editions will be renamed. Creating the works from print editions not protected by U.S. copyright law means that no one owns a United States copyright in these works, so the Foundation, NU, can copy and distribute it in the United States without permission and without paying copyright royalties. Special rules. set forth in the general terms of use part of this license, apply to copying and distributing Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works to protect the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 concept and trademark. Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark, and may not be used if you charge for an ebook, except by following the terms of the trademark license, including paying royalties for use of the Project Gutenberg trademark. If you do not charge anything for copies of this ebook, complying with the trademark license is very easy. You may use this ebook for nearly any purpose, such as creation of derivative works, reports, performances and research. Project Gutenberg ebooks may be modified and printed and given away. You may do practically anything in the United States with ebooks not protected by U.S. copyright law. Redistribution is subject to the trademark license, especially commercial redistribution. Start. Full license. The full Project Gutenberg license. Please read this before you distribute or use this work to protect the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 mission of promoting the free distribution of electronic works, by using or distributing this work, or any other work associated in any way with the phrase Project Gutenberg, you agree to comply with all the terms of the full Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license available with this file or online at 3w.gutenberg.org/license. Section E. General Terms of Use and Redistributing Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works. EA by reading or using any part of this Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic work, you indicate that you have read, understand, agree to and accept all the terms of this license and intellectual property, trademark, copyright agreement. If you do not agree to abide by all the terms of this agreement, you must cease using and return or destroy all copies of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works in your possession. If you paid a fee for obtaining a copy of or access to a Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic work and you do not agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement, you may obtain a refund from the person or entity to whom you paid the fee as set forth in paragraph 1.8. EB. Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark. It may only be used on or associated in any way with an electronic work by people who agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement. There are a few things that you can do with most Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works even without complying with the full terms of this agreement. See paragraph EC below. There are a lot of things you can do with Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works if you follow the terms of this agreement and help preserve free future access to Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works. See paragraph E below. EC. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the foundation or PGLOF, owns a compilation copyright in the collection of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works. Nearly all the individual works in the collection are in the public domain in the United States. If an individual work is unprotected by copyright law in the United States and you are located in the United States, we do not claim a right to prevent you from copying, distributing, performing, displaying or creating derivative works based on the work as long as all references to Project Gutenberg are removed. Of course, We hope that you will support the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 mission of promoting free access to electronic works by freely sharing. Project Gutenberg 商标符号 works in compliance with the terms of this agreement for keeping the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 name associated with the work. You can easily comply with the terms of this agreement by keeping this work in the same format with its attached full Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license when you share it without charge with others. The copyright laws of the place where you are located also govern what you can do with this work. Copyright laws in most countries are in a constant state of change. If you are outside the United States, check the laws of your country in addition to the terms of this agreement before downloading, copying, displaying, performing, distributing or creating derivative works based on this work or any other Project Gutenberg 商标符号 work. The Foundation makes no representations concerning the copyright status of any work in any country other than the United States. Unless you have removed all references to Project Gutenberg. The following sentence, with active links to, or other immediate access to, the full Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license must appear prominently whenever any copy of a Project Gutenberg 商标符号 work, any work on which the phrase Project Gutenberg appears, or with which the phrase Project Gutenberg is associated, is accessed, displayed, performed, viewed, copied or distributed. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restrictions whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away or use it under the terms of the Project Gutenberg license included with this ebook or online at www.gutenberg.org. If you are not located in the United States, you will have to check the laws of the country where you are located before using this ebook. If an individual Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic work is derived from texts not protected by U.S. copyright law, does not contain a notice indicating that it is posted with permission of the copyright holder, the work can be copied and distributed to anyone in the United States without paying any fees or charges. If you are redistributing or providing access to a work with the phrase Project Gutenberg associated with or appearing on the work, you must comply either with the requirements of paragraphs 1 through 7 or obtain permission for the use of the work and the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 trademark as set forth in paragraphs 1 or 9. 3. If an individual Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic work is posted with the permission of the copyright holder, your use and distribution must comply with both paragraphs 1 through 7 and any additional terms imposed by the copyright holder. Additional terms will be linked to the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license for all works posted with the permission of the copyright holder found at the beginning of this work. 4. Do not unlink or detach or remove the full Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license terms from this work, or any files containing a part of this work or any other work associated with Project Gutenberg 商标符号。5. Do not copy, display, perform, distribute or redistribute this electronic work, or any part of this electronic work, without prominently displaying the sentence set forth in paragraph EE with active links or immediate access to the full terms of the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license. EE 6. You may convert to and distribute this work in any binary, compressed, marked up, non-proprietary or proprietary form, including any word processing or hypertext form. However, if you provide access to or distribute copies of a Project Gutenberg 商标符号 work in a format other than plain vanilla ASCII or other format used in the official version posted on the official Project Gutenberg 商标符号 website, 3w.gutenberg.org, you must, at no additional cost, fee or expense to the user, provide a copy, a means of exporting a copy, or a means of obtaining a copy upon request, of the work in its original plain vanilla ASCII or other form. Any alternate format must include the full Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license as specified in paragraph EE. EE 7. Do not charge a fee for access to, viewing, displaying, performing, copying or distributing any Project Gutenberg 商标符号 works unless you comply with paragraph EE 8 or EE 9. EE 8. You may charge a reasonable fee for copies of or providing access to or distributing Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works provided that you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profits you derive from the use of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable taxes. The fee is owed to the owner of the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 trademark, but he has agreed to donate royalties under this paragraph to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payments must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payments should be clearly marked as such and sent to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in Section 4. Information about donations to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that as he does not agree to the terms of the full Project Gutenberg 商标符号 license. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copies of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copies of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph EF3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 works. 119. If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 trademark. Contact the foundation as set forth in Section 3 below. EFE. Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribed and proofread works not protected by U.S. copyright law in creating the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects, such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer codes that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. EFR Limited warranty, disclaimer OF damages, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph EF3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedies for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph EF3. You agree that the foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. EF3 Limited right of replacement or refund. If you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a written explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your written explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. EF4 Except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph EF3, this work is provided to you as is, with no other warranties of any kind, express or implied, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. EF5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain types of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provisions. EF6 Indemnity. You agree to indemnify and hold the foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the foundation, anyone providing copies of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 electronic works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any project Gutenberg 商标符号 work. B. Alteration, modification, or additions or deletions to any project Gutenberg 商标符号 work. And C. Any defect you cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg 商标符号 Project Gutenberg 商标符号 is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in formats readable by the widest variety of computers including obsolete, old, middle, aged and new computers. It exists because of the efforts of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg 商标符号 S goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg 商标符号 and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see sections 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at 3w.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501 C3 educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The foundation's SIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64-6221541. Contributions to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax-deductible to the full extent permitted by U.S. federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, UT 84116, 801 596-1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at 3w.gutenberg.org/contact. Section 4. Information about donations to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Project Gutenberg 商标符号 depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donations to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donations, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and many fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in locations where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donations or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit 3w.gutenberg.org/donate. While we cannot and do not solicit contributions from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donations from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. U.S. laws alone swamp our small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web pages for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways, including checks, online payments and credit card donations. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. General information about Project Gutenberg. 商标符号 Electronic Works Professor Michael S. Hart was the originator of the Project Gutenberg 商标符号 concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, he produced and distributed Project Gutenberg 商标符号 ebooks with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg 商标符号 ebooks are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed as not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep ebooks in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website, which has the main PG search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg 商标符号, including how to make donations to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to hear about new ebooks.